Let's travel day again. On our way to Jonesborough, Tennessee. And there we're gonna head up to Grandfather Mountain and another little surprise up there. Pups are already knocked out. Played around with them. I'll show you some video of that. Anyway, all right, well, I guess 2 hands on the wheel and we'll...
Coffee in the cups.
Yeah, coffee in the cups, and we'll catch you when we get to Jonesborough, or we'll jump in if something exciting happens along the way. Guys, we're having our first Cracker Barrel stop.
Yeah. I hear Mommy ordered some hamburger.
Did you? All right. We got our sandwiches.
Yep, got our sandwiches.
And the pups got a burger. Look at those noses.
Yeah, they're ready for their hamburger.
You're so good at dragging yourself down.
You have reached your destination. The destination is on your right.
There ain't much time left to figure things out. Deep underneath all the laser, your doubts. There's a heart gone out of rhythm and despair. Hell underwater.
Stop.
That's great.
Hi.
Hi.
You said no later than no earlier than 2.
That's right.
It's 2:06.
Okay.
The Hoffman, David Hoffman.
Mr. Hoffman.
Oh no, don't say that. Are you serious? Oh, don't do that. That's the last thing I would do is, no, I'm sorry, it's only good for 12.
Already causing trouble at the campsite.
Yeah.
We
Okay.
try. We
Yeah,
try.
yeah.
Okay, I don't know that you'll need them. Bathrooms are right in front of you.
Okay.
Trash is as you came in, right
Okay.
behind that fence.
Okay.
You have a dog.
Yeah.
So we, at the end of that road,
Okay.
there's a little dog park.
Oh,
You
okay.
can go off leash. Otherwise, we have to have 6
Oh,
foot
yeah.
leashes. Okay.
Um,
Okay, let me get you signed in.
Okay. Do I need to get out or?
No, no.
Oh, okay.
We're gonna do it right here.
Okay.
Box here.
Gotcha.
Sign it. Don't hit that little thing, or I'm gonna make you do it again.
That's not my real signature as far as penmanship, but best I can do with my fingertip.
You put X marks as far
Yeah. So I have never stayed in KOA campground, but I mean, look at this. Look at the setup. Backed in, straight in. I was only off a few inches, so the Anderson levelers work great. Look how short my run is for sewage, power, water, cable, because it's not glamping unless you have some type of cable television. And you know what? We just arrived. We haven't been here 30 minutes. Tina's taking the pups over to the pup park. But I'm gonna say this KOA is A-okay. That's what I think. You know, does somebody else ever have these issues where they don't come out? You have to come by and flip them out? Let me know. Let me know if you resolved the issue. Of course, the road to get here, the way RV Trip Wizard had us coming in, it had us coming in off 81, and we were going to go, I think, through Jonesborough directly, and it looked like a windy road, so I went ahead and went my own route, went all the way to Johnson City and came down 26, and then came up. I think this is 81. Don't hold me to that. I'll note it. But it was a 5-mile drive, a little bit narrow of a drive at times, but it wasn't undoable. I've driven on worse. But when we pulled into the campground, I mean, I started smiling because, first of all, the managers and or the owners came out and they greeted us right there at the front, and they gave us our parking location, and then they helped guide us in. And the park looks really good. Like I said, I've never been in a KOA before, but this is really nice. I'm enjoying it so far. They do have firewood, ice at the camp store. They have bathrooms here, and there is the entrance. All right, so I'm gonna finish setting up, and then we'll get right back to you. I'm gonna walk up to the front office, grab some firewood. Well, hi there. How you doing? How you doing? Aren't you just a sweetie pie?
They'll lick you to death.
Oh, I'm sure. I just love that face.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna grab some firewood real quick.
Absolutely.
Where'd I pay? Inside?
You just tell us and we can put it on your card or how.
Okay, I'm gonna grab 2 bundles. Bundle number 1, bundle number 2. That makes it easy. And that's the kind of satellite receiver I want to get eventually. Supposedly does better in the rain or heavy clouds. I don't know. Do you know? If you know, let me know. Good boy, Denver. Good boy. When you gotta go, you gotta go. Oh! I got him. All right, we wanted some exercise. We got it. Oh, come here, stop. All right, good job. Let's go. Whew. Back at our campsite. Beautiful spot. I'm really pleased with this. Okay, so we are going to do a walkthrough of this KOA campground in Jonesborough, Tennessee. And like I've said previously, I've never been at a KOA, but this has been really nice. So this up front, the road is right out here, and up front are the camp hosts and the persons that are working here, the work campers. And here is the bathrooms and the laundry facility. Of course, right here is the camp store and the office. And let me tell you, I spoke to the owner today, and they are just super nice people. So to the right is our campsite. We are 12B. I think this one here is 12A. The choo-choo train is rentable. It looks like there's 2 units, one here and one over there. And to the left, we have a playground. There's a fire pit, I guess for a common area for fires. Watch your kids play over here at the playground. So as we move on down to the lower section, we have this loop here, and it looks like this is site number 17 right here. It's 18, 19 just on the other side where that, well, I guess 19 is where that J KOA is right there, that J Flight Swift. Then we've got 20, 21, got somebody waving at me. Go say hi. 22, 23, 24, and these are pretty nice spots right up here by this creek. These are pull-throughs here. They're really nice. All right, so 21, 22, 26, 27. I guess these are the mid-20s here. Yeah, 25, 24. Okay, so it's counting down here. So on the back of the loop here, there's some really nice sites. I mean, that one right there, number 27, looks to be really, really cool. Let's go check that out. So it's nice and shady. and shady in a good way. Oh wow, I bet this would be good fishing right here. So this is site 27. This would be your view from your campsite. Nice sandy beach area here to walk down. Let's do that. Oh yeah, this is nice. Got a pup over there having a good time. All right, let's head back up. And it does look like every site is full hookup, including, ready for this, cable television. All right, so 27 was a blank one, 28, 29 would be another good spot, 30 would be another good spot. Looks a little bit unlevel. I guess if you had a self-leveling rig, we don't. Wouldn't be too big of an issue. And here is the other end of that loop. Okay, so we got 30, 31, 32, 33. And to our right here, we've got 38 and 37. 36. Another nice spot right there. 33 would be another nice spot. Oh man, it's right there by the rapids. Beautiful. $34 would be just as good. I'd come back. I would definitely come back here. This is nice. This is very shady. Right down here by the creek. Very beautiful. All right, head back up front. This was site 34. I was gonna say it might be a little trail, but it looks like maybe that's just where they put their collected leaves, making mulch, taking care of the earth. Somewhere there's a kid saying, I left some wonderful pieces of art. Or they're screaming to mom and dad, say, take us back, we left our art at the KOA. I don't know. Okay, I think these cabins are rentable. Don't hold me to that. I know they have some rentable places to stay, like that one maybe. Like I said earlier, the train has 2 places. Obviously there's tent camping. Let's head on this little shortcut here. Just to our left, straight ahead, looks like, now I don't know if it's an Airstream. I doubt it's an Airstream, but it's like a metal 1940-ish, I don't know what year. They could probably tell me at front desk. That's rentable. Okay, sites 15. I'm guessing it's probably 16 and on around. And there you have it, the tour of the Jonesborough KOA campground.